My name is Adia Harrison and I am one of the designers of the Jeru Songbird App.
Kia ora, my name is Muko Nairimi. Kia ora, my name is Minnie and I'm part of the Jeru Songbird team.
Haven't seen you for ages.
Feeling whakamata pa?
Have you forgotten the rest of Motiatia and Waiata? Well, we got the solution to your problem. Introducing the Jeru Songbird App. Find the poem in the iTunes store. Just read the lyrics and sing along.
It's completely mobile on car, on horse, on train, and on plane.
If you want a poem,
Find the poem in the iTunes store.